So back with a brand new product. This is the SCUF Call of Duty Black Ops VALOR Pro wireless controller for the Xbox. It's got that beautiful design specifically for the Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Let's open this up and see what you get inside the box. I do want to point out right off the bat that it does have 4 customizable rear paddles, ultra-fast wireless connectivity, instant triggers, and up to 17 hours of battery life. Ooh, look, they even protected the joysticks so it wouldn't get damaged in transit. That's dope. Nice of protection on there for travel. Then you've got a USB dongle. Got here a manual. And then, of course, this is probably the accessories. Wired controller. USB-A to USB-C. Got a couple different thumbsticks. And what's in this little bad boy? And those are some different options for, I'm guessing, the triggers. Oh no, these ones. Okay, that's cool. So down here you got your little bumpers, buttons here. And then I believe you can swap these pieces here out with these flatter ones if you want to. Then you've got your control button from Xbox, PC, and Bluetooth. And then you've got your toggles here on the back. And just, you know, you also have a protective film right here on the bottom. So this part doesn't get scratched or damaged. And then you've got these little dials here, SC1, SC2. That's cool. That has a really good hand feel on the controller. Like most Xbox controllers, they're really well designed, feel really comfortable. There is no removable battery on this. It does recharge, and that's all internal in the controller. The grooves here are really good at adhering and not slipping that much. That's really solid. And the buttons feel also very straightforward. Indicators for connecting. Hold to turn off, headset out here. And then again, the USB-C plug is right here on top for recharging. So, in regards to this controller, it has the anti-drift thumbsticks. It's really well designed to basically not slip around. And the customizable controls on here are really awesome in this part right there. I love the design. If you're a huge fan of Black Ops, especially the newest one 7, this is going to be a real awesome controller to show off your love for the game. And it does work with the Xbox Series X, Series S, as well as the Windows 10 based computers. So it's a really solid grab for that. Hopefully you guys find this interesting. Hopefully you guys pick this up for yourself, and we will see you guys next time.